Today we are talking about comparisons. A comparison is when we compare one noun, an object or a person, to another by using adjectives. Here's a few examples. His jacket is warmer than the one I'm wearing, but Henry's jacket is the warmest. These shoes are more comfortable, but my slippers are still the most comfortable shoes. Let's look at some of the rules for comparisons. Firstly, for most adjectives, you just add er and est to the adjective at the end. Example, colder, coldest, shorter or shortest. For adjectives with a short vowel sound like big or fit or fat, you double the last letter and then you add the er or the est. Bigger, biggest, fitter, fittest, fat, fatter, fattest. For adjectives ending in a y, we change the y to an I and then we add the er or the est. Here's some examples. Pretty, we drop the y, put an I in its place, and then we add the er or the est. Crazy, crazier, craziest. And here are some more rules. For words with more than 2 syllables, we add the words more and most in front of the adjective. For instance, comfortable becomes more comfortable and most comfortable. The same with the word interesting. Then, for words ending in full, like beautiful, painful, we again add more and most in front of the adjective. And of course, whenever we have rules, we also have exceptions to the rules. And here are a few words that don't follow the rules. Good becomes better and the best when I'm comparing them. Bad, worse, the worst. Many, more, most. And little, less, the least. Here are some more examples of comparisons. See if you can pick up examples of each and every rule that we've just discussed. There's also a homework exercise which you will find in your worksheet. Lastly, just an interesting fact about comparisons in English. When we are comparing two objects of each other, we say, she is the taller of the two sisters, not the tallest. Or, Tom is the bigger of the two friends, and not the biggest. Also note that when we are implying that one out of the two things or persons are selected, after the degree of comparison, we use the words of the. The car is the faster of the two, and Sam is the louder of the two brothers.